Hello, in this video we are going to learn about the type conversion, and for the type conversion I am going to create another file typec.py, and in this file I am going to declare a variable birth year is equal to input, and we have to pass in a string for the user as what is your birth year, as here it's 2021 and minus birth year. Let's assign this value to a variable called age. Now print this age, save this file and run here. Here you can see it's asking for an input from user that what is your birth year, as my birth year is 1999, and here we got an error. This error means we cannot perform any kind of operation on the integer and string variable, as this input function taking a value from user as a string, and we have this value 2021 as an integer, and we cannot do any kind of operation on the integer with a string. So for that we have to change this string to integer. For that we have a function called int, pass this variable to this int function. Now this int function will convert this birth year from a string to integer, and now we can do any kind of operation on this variable. Save this file and run again. Now here I am giving the same input 1999. Now you can see my age is 22. So this is how the type conversion work in Python, and thank you for watching this video.